Hello guys, welcome back to Sourcify platform and I am Gaurav with you. So today we are going to continue our C++ series and this is video number 7. So in this video we are going to solve some another pattern problems, okay, based on numbers, based on characters, etc. Okay, and if you have not completed our previous videos, especially previous two videos which contains some basic problems and easy explanation of the some pattern problems, okay, they are actually pattern problems, so you can see our previous videos from our playlist of C++. Okay, so let's open our code id. Let me open, which is VS Code, Visual Studio Code. Okay, here let me close this file, close this folder actually, and let me open the C++ course folder. Okay, so here we have done these problems, all problems, and in today's video, this is video number 7. So video 7 problem 1 dot cpp. Okay, so let me open the question and I will continue the discussion then. Okay, so we'll do these problems, okay, today. You can see these two problems and if possible we will proceed with another more problems, okay. So at first we'll do this second problem. Means here what we have to do, we have to print 1 in first row, then 2 1 in second row, then 3 2 1 in third row, then 4 3 2 1 in fourth row. What is the logic here? You can see this first row, this is the first row, and the row number is 1 here, okay. So 1 is printed in first column. In second case, what you can see here, the row number is 2 and it is printed till 2 till 1, okay. Here you can also see the here means in third row you can also see this the row number is 3, means the value of I is 3 and it is going till 1, okay. Likewise in fourth row, so from starting from the row number it is going till 1, okay. So we will apply this logic here. So let's go to the code id and let's see what we can do for this program, okay. So at first we have to write the basic structure of C++ program. It means has include IOString, okay. After that, using namespace std. After that we have to declare a function called int main, and yeah, so here we have to write the code. Okay, at first we can take a number in a variable n like 4, because here we can see the row number and column number both are 4, so it will help us to make the condition. And in next if we want to get the get any input from the user, then it will also help, okay. I will show you how you can get the input in n and you can use it, okay, to make a pattern. After that, what we have to do, we have to declare a variable called I, and I will start from 1, okay. So this is what this is for column, okay. So we are initializing the value of the column with the value 1. After that, what do we have to do? What is the problem here? Oh, we forgot to give this sign. After that, what we have to do, we have to use a while loop for column sorry, row updation, okay. Here is a fault. I is actually for row updation, okay. Row means horizontal lines, so for row, so we will write here a while loop for row updation, and here we have to write the simple condition, because there is uh, no problem in updating rows. We are updating, actually we are printing the numbers based on by applying the condition in column updation. Okay, so we will apply logic in inner loop, inner while loop. Okay, so here we can simply write while I is less than or equal to n. Okay, the loop will continue till row number is less than or equal to n, means row number less than or equal to 4. So now what we can do, here we have to declare another variable called as j, means we have to write int j, and this is for column updation. So j equal to, it will initially start from 1, and this is for column updation. So this is for column updation. Okay, so after that we will use another while loop, and here we will apply our logical condition. Okay, so what will be the column number? Column number will be less than or equal to what? Like if we go to the code, so here you can see the column number, in this case the row number is 1 and column number is also 1, means one column is in work. Okay, in second case row number is 2 and column number is what? This is first column. Okay, this is second column, means two columns in case of second row. Okay, in case of third row there are three columns, and fourth row there are four columns. Okay, so what will be it? Column, the condition will be column will be less than or equal to the what? Row number. Okay, because it can be equal to the row number, means here you can see the column number is 4, means fourth column. So or it can be third column, or it can be second, or it can be one column, means first column, but here row number is 4. So this is the first column, second and third column, this is less than the row number, but this fourth column is equal to the row number. So we can simply apply this condition in this while loop, that this j should be less than or equal to the column number. Okay, this is as simple as like that. Okay, so here we have to output what? Here we have to think about it. So here outputting what? Here you can see, in first, when the first loop runs, we are printing the column number. Okay, means this is the column number, but we are printing 1. In second case we are printing 2 and then 1. Okay, like that, starting from 2 and it is going till 1. Okay, so here we can apply another, let us apply another loop. Okay, while, okay, let me go here at first, see out what? See out see out uh, column number minus. Okay, let me see how can I do this, then I will explain. Okay, this will be easier, and it will not consume our time also. Okay, so what is the, you can say, simplest approach? So there can be formula based approach, where we have you have to identify what will be the formula, but what will be the easiest approach? So here we can use the concept of counter. Okay, what we can do, let's see. So this is j, okay, declared for the column updation. Here we will use this while loop, and the condition will be j should be less than or equal to I. Okay, after that, here what we can do, see out. Okay, what we can output. So for that, here we will add a counter. Okay, counter, and it will decrease the value. Okay, because we will initialize it with the value of I. Okay, and here we'll print the counter. I will explain it. Just now see how I am writing. And here's a space for beautifying it. Okay, nice. So here, if we go to the question, here you can say this is I. Okay, let's say this is the counter starting in starting in a new column. Okay, means in a new row. So whenever in first column, if I explain, you will not be able to understand. So I am going to the second row. Okay, not first column. This is first row. This is second row. So in second row, you can see if we start counter from I, means in second column, sorry, second row, the value of I is also 2 because the column row number is 2 actually, and we are starting printing the value from what, from I. Okay, means from row number. So 2, and then this counter is decreased to 1. Okay, in second column. So what we can do here, we can simply print the counter, but whenever it will go to the second column, not second row, whenever it will go to the second column, it will decrease by 1. Okay, so here we have to write counter minus minus. Okay, it is decreasing by a value of 1, and also we have to update the column number, so j plus plus. Okay, like that. And after that, we will simply, whenever the loop will be terminated, in a case of a single row, then it will go to the next row, and for that we will use cout, and here we have to write end statement. Okay, this is going to the next line, and it will also update the value of I, means row number. Okay, now our program is ready to run. Let's run it. Okay, everything is okay. First row 1, second row 2 1, then 3 2 1, then 4 3 2 1. Okay, the question was also this. So here we are using the concept of counter simply. Okay, and we added the counter in case of actually in the inner loop. Why? Because whenever there is a new row, it is the counter should be reset to its initial value, means here the initial value is I. Okay, the value starting from which is I. Okay, because here we can see in second row it is starting from 2, in third row it is starting from 3 and decreasing. Okay, so this is like that, we can apply this concept here. So let's go to the next question. I hope you can understand you understand this question. So let me clear this and let's go to the next question. Before that, let me make a new file called as feed7 problem2.cpp. Okay, here what we can do, let's go to the question. Yeah, so this is the question 1 2 3 3 4 5, and this. So let, okay, so this is the question. One, in first column, sorry, in first row you can see it is printing 1. Okay, in second row it is printing 2, and after that means 3. Okay, in second row, and here the row number okay, let me explain it first. In case of third row, you can see it is printing after 3. Okay, means it is updating the counter by plus one value. Means if the initial value is of counter is 2, then the updated value is 4, and after that updated value is 5. Okay, and here also, okay, it is processing like that. But here is the same condition for column updation, which is the column number means j should be less than or equal to the row number. Means here you can see the row number is 2, and there is two columns. Okay, this second column, this is one column. Okay, means the column number can be less than or equal to 2. Here also you can see this is the third column, sorry, third row. So row number is 3, and here also the column number is 3 or 2 or 1. Okay, in this fourth case you can see the row number is 4 and the column number is 4 or 3 or 2 or 1. Okay, so this is simple case. In previous program we were decreasing the counter, here we will simply increase the counter. So let me write the program. Here simply I will write the basic structure. Okay, has include IO stream, after that using NAMES namespace std. Okay, like that. After that int main, and here inside what we have to do, we have to just set a value at first, and the variable is this. We know the column number is and row number is 4. So after that we have to declare the variable for row updation. So this is I, and it will start from first row. Okay, so this is like that. After that we have to apply a loop, which is while loop, and I should be less than or equal to 4. Okay, sorry, 4, not 4, I can write in. Okay, and the value is 4 for this. After that what we have to do, we have to write simply like previous program. We have to at first declare a variable for column updation. So it will be initialized with the value of 1, because there can be minimum 1 column. Okay, and after that we have to add a counter. Okay, so data type is int and count counter. Okay, equal to what? Equal to it will start from what? It will start from uh, I. Okay, means row number. So if I go to the question, you can see here this is the second column. Sorry, this is the second row, and the first column it is starting from 2, then it is updating to 3. Okay, in case of this third row you can see this starting from 3. Okay, then 4, then 5, it is updating. So so we have written this initialized the counter value from I. Okay, after that we will apply another while loop, inner while loop, and here j should be less than or equal to the I. Okay, means column number should be less than or equal to the row number. After that, here we have to output what? We have to output simply counter. So cout, and after that counter. Okay, and after that a simple space for just beautifying, and here is the change only, that here should be counter plus plus. Okay, this is like that, and then here we also have to add j plus plus, means we are updating the column number. Okay, this is as simple as like that. After that we have to simply see out. When the loop will be terminated, we have to go to the next line. So for that you see out what next line means endl, and after that we have to update the row number. Okay, this is like that. Now let's run the program and let's see what is happening. Okay, this is 1 2 3 3 4 5 and 4 5 6 7. Okay, like that. And in our question this was told to print. Okay, 1 2 3 3 4 5 4 5 6 7. Okay, like that. So we are handling this type of question simply using the concept of counter. Okay, we can handle it like that. We can also make formulas and then all stuffs and then see out the formula, but there we have to think about that. Okay, this is necessary. I will show you in another questions. We'll do a lot of question in next videos. Okay, now let me take another and last question for today's video. Let me take another question. Okay, and I will be back soon. Okay, so now we'll print this pattern. Here you can say the pattern actually contains these characters. Okay, A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T. This is like that. Okay, so we're skipping this because it's very easy. You can just simply write it. Okay, we will do this later. But at first, let me do it. Okay, the logic is simple. Let me show you. The program will be similar like the like printing star or you can say numbers. So at first we have to write simply the basic structure of C++ using namespace std. Okay, after that what we can do, we can simply declare a function called int main, and inside it we have to declare another simple, okay, like previous one, another variable in, because the column number and row number is in, okay, in both case. After that you have to declare a variable called I for updating the rows. So I will start from 1, okay, this first row. After that we have to apply a global variable called counter. Okay, I will do it later. Let me at first just write the code for column and row operation. So after that we have to add a while loop, and here the condition is I should be less than or equal to n. Okay, like that. Then here also we have to declare a variable called j for column operation, and it will go up to what? We have to attach another while loop here. So while j is less than or equal to n. Okay, after that counter. Okay, but before that we have to declare the counter here and initialize it. So what we are actually printing here, okay, A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P, okay, like that. If we consider A as 1, so the value of B will be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So like that. Okay, counter is increasing by value 1, and here also character is increasing. Okay, so we can use this concept of counter here also. For that what we have to do, as this is a character type data, means A B C D all are character, so here we have to declare the variable with a data type of char. Okay, so char ch or char counter equal to what will be the initial value or initial character will be A. Okay, like that. And after that close it with a semicolon. And here what we have to do, we have to just simply see out the counter. Okay, and after that add some space. Okay, nice. Now how we can update this, we can simply update this because we have to update the counter in every box. Okay, means every column of a row. So this is like that. So here what we can do, we can just try counter counter plus plus. Okay, means after printing a single character it is updating it to the next character. And here also we have to add simply j plus plus for column updation. And if the row is sorry, yes, the row is terminated, then we have to go to the next line. So for that we have to simply see out what, see out end, okay, end l and closing. Okay, this is all correct. And after that what we have to do, we have to just simply uh, update the row number. So I plus plus, I've done this for it. Okay, now let me run the program and let me show you the result. Okay, our result is all correct. A B C D E F G H I J K L. Okay, like that. This is printed here, you can see. I hope all I hope you understand this. After that, let me do this program also. Okay, so here you can see we have to print a in first row. Here b मतलब four b's in second row and four c's and four d's. Okay, so what we can do here, we can just simply write what. Let me go to the code editor. Okay, so here let me make a new file called video 7 problem 4.cpp. Okay, so like that. Okay, let me write the basic structure at first. Has include stream. Okay, after that using namespace std. Okay, after that we have to declare a function called main. Okay, and inside it we have to write the code. So what we can do, the change will be done inside the second loop. Okay, but before that we have to just simply write the structure for row column operation, or you can say row column updation. So we will declare a variable called int n equal to 4. Okay, and after that int n equal to 4, and after that int I equal to I uh, int I equal to, no, yes, this is, so int I equal to 1 because I is for row updation. And after that we have to apply a while loop here. So while I is less than or equal to what, n. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to go to the column operation. So here also inside this loop we have to declare another variable called as j, and j will also start from 1. Okay, because the column will also start from 1, there cannot be any zero column or zeroth row. Okay, so for that reason the initial value of both I and j is 1. Okay, after that you have to add another loop for column updation and printing, and here j will be less than or equal to n also. Okay, after that you have to print here something, means see out. Okay, see out, but what we can we will output. Okay, what we will output, so for that we have to output a in previous row. Okay, so let's declare a character type variable char uh, counter counter equal to with the initial character a. Okay, after that we will not, in this case we will not update this counter in loop, means inner loop, because in the case of a single row the character will remain same, because here you can see in case of the first row all characters are a, in case of second row all characters are b. So we have to apply this condition in outer loop instead of inner loop. Okay, so this is the difference here. So here we have to simply output the counter, and after that some space for just beautifying like that, and just simply update the column number. Okay. Okay, now if the loop is terminated, then we have to go to the next line. So for that, what we can do, we have to just simply cout handle. Okay, we can write this statement, and after going to the next line, what we have to do, we have to update the counter to b. Okay, a to b. So what we have to do, counter plus plus. This is as simple as like that. Okay. Okay, and also we have to update the row number. Okay, so this is like that. Let me run this program. So let me clear this at first and run this program. Okay, so A, B, 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 C, 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 and D, 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 D. Okay, this is printed successfully. So I hope you understand why I applied the counter plus plus this statement in outer. Okay, because we have to update the value, or you can say the character in every row, not in every column. Okay, so for this reason I have written this like that. Just practice this all questions twice or thrice, and you will be confident about that. Okay, and let me know in comment section about your progress, if you are able to understand or not, what I have to do for explaining well, and let me know about all things in comment section. Okay, we will do more 20 to 25 questions and everything will be clear then. Okay, just keep practicing twice, thrice, or like that, all this question, okay, which are done. Okay, so in today's video we have done 4 questions, and I hope you understand this. If there is any problem, I have told you what you have to do. So thank you for watching this video till the end. Take care and goodbye.